Hey, what's going on, guys? If this is your first time here, I am Quincy Moreland, and today we're talking about TikTok. If you have heard of TikTok, or maybe you haven't heard of TikTok, maybe you heard about it, but you just kind of want to see what it is, and you want to know, how do I set up a TikTok account? So that's where I come in at, and we're going to show you how to do it. So hey, keep watching. Okay, so let's go ahead and set up a TikTok account. I got my phone right here, and you will see it pop up right here. This is my account, but let's go ahead and add an account. You can add up to 3 accounts. At the very top where it says Moreland, I'm gonna hit the drop-down menu. I have me and my son logged in right now on our accounts. Let's go ahead and hit Add Account. You can use your phone, email. You can continue with Facebook if you want. You can also use Google. Let's just go ahead and use phone or email. And what's your birthday? I'm going to go ahead and put my birthday. And you actually have to be 13 for the platform. You have to be at least 13. And you want to make sure that you are 13, because if you are under 13 and you create an account and you upload all these videos and someone from the administrator of TikTok sees your videos, they can just ban your account, because they really care and look out for kids, and you need to be 13 or older. So July 29, 1977, let's hit next. We're not going to do phone number, let's do email, and we will create one right now. Let's put a random email, create one right now. Create one right now at gmail.com. And let's go ahead and hit next. And we're going to do the verification, slide the puzzle. Success! Boom! We are in. So now we get to create a password. So create a username. Username is what I just already inputted. So we're going to go ahead and hit sign up. Let's hit sign up. Now if you notice, it has create one right now at the top, and then the username, it says at create one right now. So you can actually have something different at the top. Like on my profile it says the Morelands, but right here it says Quincy C. Moreland. Which is Quincy Conte Moreland. So let's go ahead and change that. Maybe you want, my family TikToks up there, but then create one right now as your username. Let's go ahead and hit edit profile, and you will see a few options there. We're not going to upload a photo. If you clicked on that, you could probably just take a selfie. So name is what's going to go at the top. So maybe, like I said, let's just do click the X button. My space family. That's another thing. The name can be spaced words, but the username has to be all together. So my family TikToks. TikToks. There you go. We can do all the capitalized and stuff later. And then your username stays the same. You can create a bio. You can link this to Instagram or YouTube. Let's go back. Now you will see 3 zeros where it says following, followers, and likes. Of course, if I follow 12 or 20 people, that would show up on the left. If 313,000 people follow me, which they are on my profile, that would be in the middle. And then, of course, right now I have 6.5 million likes on my videos. That would be on the far right. Down at the bottom where it's bouncing up and down, tap to create a new video. Let's do that right now. And then after this, we're going to go show you how to add and find friends from your other social media platforms. Click that, and it's me. Let's go. What's going on, guys? It's Quincy. What's up, guys? It's Quincy. I'm making my first TikTok, so why don't you go ahead and hit that like button and follow me if you think I'm cool. I'm just making something random. So we'll hit next. My audio is not going to play because I have it plugged into the computer doing the mirror screen thing just to show you. And then we'll hit next again. You could add effects, text on the bottom, or a little sticker. We're not going to go through all that. Those are just options. So let's hit next. Your description could be me looking cringy. And now I did this earlier. This is actually, I did this earlier and this didn't populate. But when you hit hashtag, it's going to show you the hottest hashtags out there. So Just Dance Moves is a hashtag right now. Dino Day, Almond Walk. And so nothing that I'm doing in this video is related to any of those hashtags. But say I was dancing, I would hit that hashtag. It would make it easier for people to find my video. It would make it easier for my video to be discovered. So let's hit that. We'll hit done. Who can view this video? I can make it public or I can make it private. Public, anyone on TikTok, I can select friends, which will be friends only. People that have followed me back, or I can make it private and it's only visible to me. Why you would want to do that, I don't know. So let's make it public, and you can click on I don't want people to comment, or you can let them comment. People can duet your videos, react to your videos, or you can save this video now to your phone. So let's go ahead and post, and then it gives you an option at the bottom to automatically share this to Instagram, Snapchat, and a couple other social media sites. Hit post. It's gonna go public. Are you sure? Yes. Post now. While it's uploading, it might show you some viral videos. And boom, uploaded. Now you can share to all these things at the top. Me looking cringy. You'll see it says 1 second ago this is uploaded. So let's go ahead and talk about the buttons, the options on the right. My profile picture, which I haven't uploaded. And then, of course, the heart button. You could like your own stuff, but let's actually go to the For You page and we'll discuss these. So the For You page is the home button on the left, which we're already on, but at the top you have Following, and then you have For You. Let's go to For You. So you have Will Smith right here. This is a trend, and he just did an awesome job on it. You'll see that his profile picture is there. He has 3.1 million likes. I'm going to like it. It turns red. And then right below that, to your right, down below, it's 19,500 comments. And below that, with the arrow to the right, 24,300 shares. People have either shared it to people in text messages, Messenger on Facebook, Instagram, different ways that they share it. And then, of course, you'll see that he tagged maybe who was recording the video, because it says at Chris Ashley, or he's just tagging someone so they can go watch the video. The buttons on the bottom, the home we already talked about. Discover, let's click on that magnifying glass. At the very, very top, you can swipe, and it will show you the different things that are trending. Just Dance, Dino Day, some of these we talked about a second ago, Usher, Pay It Forward, Almond Walk, Join the Challenge, Reality Ripple. And when you scroll those challenges that I just mentioned, you will see example videos of people doing those challenges, so you have something to reference and make a video yourself. Alright, let's go to the one in the middle. Actually, we've already been there because that's the button that I clicked on to create my video. The one to the right is Inbox. You click on Inbox. This is where you're going to see, as it says, all of your activity. If you hit the drop down arrow next to all activity, in this menu where it says Inbox, you will see everyone who liked your video. You will see everyone who commented, anyone who mentioned you, meaning they tagged you, and then, of course, who just followed you. Up to 10 people to 15 people. Tony just followed you. Tiffany just followed you. Jessica, your friend on Facebook, just followed you. I'm just randomly mentioning names. Eduardo, and then messages from TikTok. Any updates, any new features. TikTok will also be in this view screen where it says Inbox down on the right. And the last one, of course, all the way to the right is me, which is my profile, which it takes you right there, which we did talk about already. All right, top left-hand corner, the moment we've all been waiting for, is where you can add people from either your phone. You can have them find contacts in your phone. You can have it find Facebook friends, and then, of course, Google. Anyone you're connected with on Google, Gmail. So that is how you set up and create a TikTok account. You're done. You're in there. If you can follow these steps, you can be on TikTok. And whether you're doing clothing line, beauty, makeup, hair, any type of tutorials, whether it's ministry, just how-to videos, things that you want to show the world, TikTok is the platform you want to be on, because everyone from all ages are on here, from young to middle-aged to older, because there's so many different types of opportunities on here. So I encourage you to sign up. If you have any questions, comment down below. Any questions, if you want a different tutorial, let me know and I can make that video for you. Don't hesitate to reach out and ask me anything. Alright? Hopefully this was beneficial to you and you can find some value in this video. It was likely a little quicker than my other tutorials. I probably put a link here to some of my other videos that I've created about TikTok. You can check those out also. Maybe you're already up to speed and up to date, but you want to know some new features. You can watch those videos also. Alright, like the video if, like I said, you found it beneficial. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. That way you will never miss a video when I upload it. And you also want to make sure you turn on post notifications. Alright guys, hey, it's Quincy giving you some more Q tips on how I can help you succeed with this social media thing. Have a great day.